with the Codenja. So today we are solving the two-sum problem in an optimized approach. So here, given an array integers nums and integer target, if we found out the adding of the elements in the array and we found out the target, then we need to return the indexes of that elements. So I will do. Previously, we've done that. We used an brute force approach in that we get the time complexity of half and square. So now we need to reduce that to improve the efficiency of the code. So here I'm using a hash map where these are integers. I will make the name of the hash map as map and later hash map. So after creating the hash map, we need to traverse into the entire array. I will start from 0 until the length of that array, and later we need to find out the complement here. So if I found out the complement, basically complement is the difference between the target variable and the current variable. For example, target minus nums of 5. Here it gives for example, here target is minus 9, and if we minus with the current element nums of 5, which is 2, which gives us the 7. So here 7 is the complement, and if the map uh, contains key of that complement, we need to return it, because here the return function is in the form of an integer array, so we need to return it in the integer array. And through map.get function of a complement, we get the value and the index of that. So if the complement is not present in the map, we need to put that complement, put the nums of 5 into it and its index. uh, for example, after the test cases are passed, I will show with the dry run of the code. So here if yeah, all the test cases are passed, and we need to return the empty array. So first of all, I'll run this code once. So the test cases are passed, so I will dry run the code with the first test case. So here the nums of 5 9, nums of 5 is the 2 and the target is 9, so we get the complement 7, and that map doesn't contain 7 here, so we need to put that nums of not complement. We need to put the nums of 5, which is a 2, which is a 2. Then the key value is 0, so the nums of I is 2 and I is the index is 0 here. So later nums of I is incremented, then the value is 7. So target minus nums of I, where target is 9 and nums of I is 7, and which is 2. Map that contains a complement. Yes, the map contains the complement, and we need to enter into the condition, and we need to return map.get of complement, and the complement of here is 0, and the index for the second one is 1. So here we get the value 0 1. This is how this two sum problem works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Keep on practicing until you get the results. So signing off.